What's going on YouTube? Chris here. I want to bring you all a quick update of Theta. I've had a lot of people ask me about this. So once or twice a week, I want to throw in some random coins like we've talked about Digibyte, Theta, Litecoin individual videos. So I'm thinking about doing this for Theta. And if you guys want me to do that, like, subscribe, hit that notification, let me know down low. And I also want to know your end of market cycle price prediction for Theta. I'd love to hear if it's, $10, $15, where we're at now. I would love to hear your take down low, and we're going to get into this here. So what I want to do, I wanted to look at this on the log scale and really step back. So this is for the longer term trader or the longer term investor. I want to show you where we're at for Theta right now. So you can see the price history from back in March where we really started this huge uptrend that we've been in this bull market. We were down as low as about 3 cents. So whoever bought Theta at 3 cents, congratulations. You're doing amazing right now. We are up roughly almost at $6. We're at $5.91 right now. And you can see this has been a really healthy uptrend. We'll even draw an uptrend line here. This is something I want you to pay attention to if you're a longer term investor. So you want to stay up above this trend line for Theta. That's what's going to be most important. And if we throw in our moving averages here, and remember this is all on the 1 day time frame, we are up above our 20 EMA. We're up above our 50 right here in pink. We're up above our 100 and our 200. So this is a really healthy uptrend. If you're a longer term investor, not financial advice, this is where you just want to sit back in your position and continue to let it ride. We have not had topping signals yet, and Bitcoin hasn't topped out yet. So that's something I'm definitely going to pay attention to, because if Bitcoin starts to dump, it's going to bring other coins down with it. So just be aware of that. When Theta's doing well, you need Bitcoin and Ethereum to be doing well also, in my opinion, just to really help the price action go. Because many times if Bitcoin and Ethereum dump, it doesn't really matter what's going on with some of the altcoins. It's most likely just going to bring it down with it. Now, when they pump Bitcoin and Ethereum, they really make nice moves. The altcoins will overperform them many times. And Theta has been one here, guys. I mean, this has been a really beautiful uptrend for Theta. I know a lot of people have talked about it. And if we step back, what I want to do next here, because we are in price discovery, at least from the charts that I've found, I don't believe there's any other price history, so we are in price discovery. If I'm wrong, correct me down low. Guys, always love if someone corrects me if I'm wrong, but from what I'm looking at in the charts that I've found, at least here on TradingView, this is all the price history that there has been for Theta. And what I have here, if we do start getting some type of correction, the RSI right now is up around 81. Last time when we had our correction, the RSI was up around 90. So we still could have more room to continue to run and maybe hit some of those higher levels around $7.50, right up in that range before we start having some type of retracement. You can see back here, we really cooled off a ton. We rounded out, then we got moving again, but we were still in that uptrend. The trend was still up, right? And now what you're looking at here, I wouldn't chase anything. If I wasn't in Theta, I wouldn't go running after it right now. I would wait for a nice deep retracement. And the levels I would be putting buy orders in at, if you're really desperate to get into a position, I'd look at about $4.10, like you really want to enter potential buy areas in that area. The next area I'd really look at would be down here around $2.65. And in this space, we get very long wicks to the downside, just like we did here. We were all the way up around $2.64. We wicked down to $1.43. So it's definitely possible to catch something on a wick. And I think the best way to do that is to put those limit buy orders in. I believe it was 80A, and on Kraken it went all the way down to like 14 cents on a wick. So sometimes you can get really lucky if you just put those buy orders in, even around this 200 at $1.90, putting in buy orders there, and that can always help you. But right now we're in this steady uptrend. You can see the RSI still pointing up. We're at 81 right now though, so you just want to keep an eye on that. We're in that overbought territory, and the MACD has crossed to the upside. If we get into TradingView, for the technicals, we're going to click here, and what this is going to be on is the 1 day time frame. So you're going to see we have a 0 sell, a 10 neutral, and a 16 buy. Oscillator 0 sell, 9 neutral, and a 2 buy. Moving averages 0 sell, 1 neutral, and a 14 buy. Relative strength index, you can see it's neutral here. And that's going to be at 81. They're still flashing neutral because I put some of my signs up higher. Like I like to see 85 in the cryptocurrency space. That's many times when I think we're really going to start to get overextended, that 85, 90s, 95. Sometimes we've even gotten as high as 98 on some coins on the 1 day time frame. So it's important to pay attention to the relative strength, but just go off price action for the most part, and then just look at that and see how overextended you are to the upside. Because if you see some going straight up and the RSI on the 1 day time frames at 97, it's better, you better take some profit. That just is what it is. And then put those limit buy orders lower if you have confidence, and maybe you'll be able to catch some of those. on the wicks, and that's been successful for a lot of people. But right now, momentum is going to be a buy. MACD level is going to be a buy. All our moving averages are a buy right now because we're trading up above them right now. That's what's most important. And this is the thing, guys. When you do this, you just want to look at the river. The trend has been up, right? You want to trade with the trend. Trade with the trend. You don't want to go against it. Okay, and the trend has been up in the longer term right here for Theta. So we're going to see if we can go up and nail that $6. You guys let me know if you like these. If you ever want to help this channel out, I got a few addresses in the description box there. It's always appreciated. But I just love being here with you guys, and this is awesome for all the people who've been in this for quite a while, and at lower prices at $6. That's quite some profit, guys. Congratulations. God bless you all. Take care.